Hi.
Hey, so I finished the thing. I got a few wrong though. How'd you do?
I missed one.
Awesome.
I don't know why.
All right, which one?
So, number 15. I
Okay.
got 14 right, but I missed 15.
Yeah, so I got 13 wrong, which would lead to the 15 wrong.
Okay.
So I got 13, 15, and 17 wrong.
Only those three?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So 13, I got it wrong the first time. So, what did you put in for all the values and stuff?
I did a huge formula.
It's huge, yeah.
It took forever, and it
Yeah.
turned out to be wrong.
Okay.
So for the p-bar equation, I did 16713 plus 6155 over 118519 plus 42447.
Yeah.
And that equals 0.142067269.
Okay.
So my equation was 0.141 minus 0.145.
Okay, yeah.
And then that was minus basically 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And so that was over the p bar or the p hat times 1 minus the p hat times, I think it was 1 divided by n1 plus 1 divided by n2. And n1 and n2 were
Those big numbers, yeah.
118519 plus 42447, right?
Yeah. You did the denominators all square root, right?
And I did the square root.
Okay.
And I came out with, I can't remember the number, it's in my calculator, but basically put that in there, rounded to the 3 decimals, and it gave me the wrong answer.
Really? So I'm just going to tell you what I got because, I mean, you did everything right. You probably just missed like a parentheses or a decimal somewhere. But
Okay.
I got negative 2.026.
You got what?
Negative 2.026.
Negative 2.026?
Yeah.
Okay.
So plug that in for the p-score. I'm going to do it again real quick to make sure I wasn't doing something weird. 2.026. And I get 0.021. But apparently that's stand because
0.026. And we go to the left of it, then you get
negative.
0.0214.
Yeah. So it ended up it would just be 0.021. So I'm wondering if that's miskeyed because if I got 13 and 14 right, I mean, it doesn't make sense that 15's wrong.
No.
So I'm wondering if it's miskeyed.
It's less than, it's the left of that, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it tells you right there. It's going to be to the left. That's the z-score. All I have to do is plug it in, and I did, and it's, I don't know. I think there's something wrong with the test on that one, unless I'm just doing something weird. I don't know.
Did you try 0.0212? Or excuse me, 0.022?
I didn't try that.
Just put 2.
Well, that wouldn't make sense because 1 just would stay because 4 rounds. That wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, but maybe there was extra that it's only off by that 1. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I'm just going to email him.
Okay.
Because even when you put I put in like the negative 2.026, it was actually like I don't remember what it was, like 58 something. I don't remember if that was even it, but it was a longer number, and I put that whole thing into the normal probability applet, and the probability applet itself rounded it to 0.026. So like you can't get more exact than that. So
Yeah.
I think it's miskeyed.
Well, you got to be when you got everything else. I don't know.
That's what doesn't make sense. So then you got 17 wrong?
I got 17 wrong. I did it twice. I think those word ones where I have to word the sufficient.
I know, sufficient versus insufficient. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the, so you would reject the null. And so that means since you rejected the null, you have that, the only time you have enough say that it's wrong, the null is wrong. So it would be the first one. There is sufficient evidence to say that it is on a weekday is less than on the weekend. I mean, the only time you would have an insufficient evidence, as far as I understand, is when you would fail to reject the null, because then you're saying there's insufficient evidence to suggest that the alternative hypothesis is correct, you know?
Yeah.
So
I agree.
So it's the first one.
All right. So we reject number 16 and then the first one. So the sufficient evidence to okay, that makes. I think what I messed up on was the less than instead of the same.
Oh yeah.
Because the null.
Yeah.
If we reject it, then the alternative should be true. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. So p-test value. I'm gonna just put in.
I'm just gonna email him on that one and ask him, because there's no way it can be wrong. Like they're really, unless there's a weird rule that I'm not understanding. So.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I got 100%.
Really? With the what? Did you put the .022?
Yeah, I put .022.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go back and do that then. So okay, well that is great. I wonder why, because I did it like 3 times. It's annoying.
That's funny. Well,
That is
4 doesn't round up, so
no, not at all. Okay.
maybe if you put the whole.
Well, I did. That's what it didn't make sense. I did put the whole thing in, and I still got that answer.
That's crazy.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. That was a lucky guess, though. That's awesome.
Yeah, 100%. Man.
All right.
All right. Jana, she had to go do some last closing stuff on her job, and she'll be back shortly. And I'll do a meeting with her later, so she can get points on this. She apologizes about the project. She did that part, but it was really my responsibility to do it.
Oh,
and she basically took the same information that we had from her project last time, and I mean we rephrased it a little bit, and then he just declined it. So she said that he rejects like all the first time.
I think
and then he gives a little info.
Probably accepts all the second ones. So
exactly. She said that they accepted last time. They accepted all the second ones, except for one. He had them redo it like 5 times. So apparently they just got worse and worse for a while.
Wow.
So, and there's we should have done something other than M&Ms, but oh well. Did you get your M&Ms yet?
No.
Okay.
Why?
I went to Brawlham's, and I think she went to Albertsons. So I guess that's Walmart.
Okay.
If you want to get some from Brawlham's or Albertsons and then say you got them from Walmart, I don't mind.
I can
so I really don't think it matters all that much.
Yeah.
But it's just gonna be a lot of M&Ms to count. So
yeah. That's okay.
There's probably over 100 a bag, and I think we did like the 11.4 ounce or 14.
Yeah, she texted me. I have it on my phone. I don't remember. So do I pick up 2 bags? We're supposed to do 2 each, right?
Yeah, 2 bags. And
Yep.
so keep them separate. Count,
Okay.
each bag total and each bag reds and blues.
Okay.
And then that's pretty much all the information we need from the bags. And then just keep track of which one. So like, just open the first bag and do the counting, and then open the second one and do the counting, and just so you have it in like a spreadsheet separated. And that's it.
Okay.
I really don't even know if that makes a big difference, but just for the experiment and the guidelines, we should probably just do it correctly.
Okay.
All
Sounds
right.
good.
Excellent. We'll meet tomorrow sometime. Hopefully, I don't know. Are you able to do it a little later? Maybe around 6? Nope, I work at 6.
I am not able. I have a busy day tomorrow.
Okay,
I'm trying to think. Tomorrow, well, my morning is open, completely open, kind of. And
Okay.
then so like I have one class at 10:15 to 12:15. And then I have something I have to go visiting teaching at 1. And then I am free until 6.
All right. I don't want to do it too early, but is 9 o'clock too early?
No, that's fine. 9 is great.
All right. 9 o'clock I usually have class, but I have a test tomorrow, so she canceled class. And
Okay.
so 9 o'clock I think would be good for Jana too, since it's before work.
Yeah, 9 would be great.
All right.
So I'll just do that tonight so we can just have a quick meeting. So
Perfect.
awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Have a good night.
You too. Bye.
Bye.